Greetings everyone, this is Bitcoin Randy, and I'm going to be giving you an unofficial presentation of TradeCoin Club. The reason why I say it's unofficial is because TradeCoin Club has not officially launched yet. It doesn't launch until April sometime, I believe, and so I'm hoping to give you some good information here through this unofficial presentation so that you can make a decision to take advantage of what's going on in this pre-launch phase. Also, TradeCoin Club is based out of Belize, so this presentation does have some Spanish verbiage to it, and it's a little off English. So with that, we'll go forward and give you the information about TradeCoin Club. What is TCC? It's a membership club created to revolutionize the trading market of digital coins. In a competitive billion-dollar market to which only a few have the access to, TCC's software is developed by a specialized team bringing the opportunity to anybody to start in the trading market of digital coins, obtaining automated gains in 3 levels of risk with little or no skills in the trading world. What is trading? It is a type of negotiation that takes place in the financial markets, intensively using sophisticated technologic tools to get information of the market and use it to exchange financial securities such as assets or options. In this example, we are looking at buying the stock of Apple Inc. and showing how you can profit from trading stocks in the stock market. So in this example, if you were to buy 100 stocks of Apple at the beginning of the day for $100 per share, then during the day the stock went up to $105 per share. By the end of the day, you would have profited $500 from the growth of the stock market. So that's just an example of what trading looks like in the traditional sense, in the trading of financial securities. Some of the famous traders that you may or may not be aware of who've become very successful or have made huge profits in trading on the stock market is George Soros, earned $1 billion in one day. Jesse Livermore, the mathematician, this mathematician is considered the father of the quantitative investment. So it lets you know that there are some strategies, mathematics, some academics to trading. And Jim Simmons, this historic trader became famous for shorting when the crack of the 1929 stock market crash happened. So, and that kicked off the Great Depression here in America. That also lets you know that timing is everything. So these are some famous traders that you should be aware of. So if we take a look at trading history, we can see that trading has been around for some time. In ancient times, people traded products, different goods and services, just because that's what they, wanted to do to live. Fast forward to the 20th century, trading between stocks was more of what we considered trading to be. People would purchase shares of companies and then trade for other shares, and they look to profit from that. A lot of people's retirement plans are based on trading in the stock market. Fast forward a few years later to the 21st century, we have trading of digital currencies. Now this is a relatively new phenomenon, very much for people with specialized knowledge. Digital currencies in itself is still a relatively new phenomenon, much less trading with them. So, but that's where TradeCoin Club comes into play, is we're headstrong into the trading of digital currencies. Now, what are digital currencies, otherwise known as cryptocurrencies? Well, back in 2008, Bitcoin was born. Now, you might be familiar with Bitcoin. It's really the most prolific, the most well-known cryptocurrency out there right now. It was started in 2008. Bitcoin is commercialized by 2009, just means that it became more widely accepted, more widely recognized as a store of value, an asset. And then in 2010, the first transaction of Bitcoin happened. Someone bought a pizza for 10,000 Bitcoins. By the end of 2010, Bitcoin was valued at 10 cents per coin. But fast forward to 2016, Bitcoin was valued at $750 per coin. So because of the supply and demand, because cryptocurrency is becoming so much, there's so much demand for it now. It's so relevant in today's day and age now. It's so useful and helpful to people of all kinds. I mean, it doesn't matter what part of the world you come from, first world country, third world country, people all over the world are embracing cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. If you had invested $100 in Bitcoin 6 years ago, today you would have $750,000. That just speaks to the massive growth in value that these cryptocurrencies are starting to have in the marketplace. There are more than just Bitcoin, of course, over 700 coins in the world to trade every day. Definitely many different coins you probably never heard of, but 700 coins are traded every day in the marketplace. Bitcoin is just one of the 700. So what does TCC have that's so powerful? What should we be so excited about? How is this relevant to us, and how can we capitalize on what TCC is doing? TCC has a software. It's developed a software with high tech for optimization in the trades of cryptocurrency. Our traders, that's me and you, can upload daily into the system, meaning invest, which maintains high precision of all transactions, allowing members to gain throughout most operations. So we upload our investment, say Bitcoin, and the software now maintains the precision of all transactions. Thank goodness. Because what these guys do, a human could not do, allowing members to gain throughout most of the operations. So what do? TCC has a unique trading system. Our system makes millions of microtransactions every second, making it humanly impossible. So obviously you and me couldn't sit down on a computer and make millions of microtransactions per day. So what's the benefit of making these millions of microtransactions? Allowing our members to generate profit every second, every hour, and every day. And our members don't put all their coins at risk because we have the stop loss button. All right, so at this point we know that there's a stop loss button that helps keep us safe from losing all of our investment. Here's an example of what can happen throughout the day. At 4:31 p.m. you can buy at 0.010 Bitcoin, and then the price goes up and you can sell, it goes up to 10, and then you can buy and then you can sell. Now, you don't have to do all of this. The software does it for you on a daily basis. The kind of profit you can make just on this one coin is incredible. Imagine that the system has 700 coins available to trade on a daily basis, every second, every minute, every day. Getting started with Trade Coin Club, there are 3 different levels of investment, membership levels. So you choose how you want to get started. It's completely up to you. So the first level is Apprentice. This is an investment of 0.25 Bitcoin up to 0.99 Bitcoin. The Trader, 1 Bitcoin up to 4.99 Bitcoin, or the Senior Trader, from 5 Bitcoin and above. You can be part of our club and enjoy all the tools that our software has, starting from 0.25 Bitcoin with a membership fee of 0.05 Bitcoin for all memberships. Any member has the right to cancel their membership at any time. A penalty of 50% will be applied to the amount invested, deducting all commissions received upon up to date. So just make sure that if you're going to get started with Trade Coin Club, that it's a solid decision and you're going to move forward with your investments. All right, so some of the membership benefits at the different levels. At the Apprentice level, You have an 8-month contract with a stop loss of 0.35. The trader level is 12 months with a stop loss of 0.40. And the senior trader is 12-month contract with 0.45 for daily liquidation. Every membership pays 25% trading fee every 4 months on the total gains of your trading account. The system is going to trade Monday through Friday, compounding all trades throughout the day, making liquidations available once a day. Contract term for gains above 5 times the amount invested obligates you to renew the contract. So a couple things here. What I like about what I'm seeing here in this small print is the system is obviously expecting you to make some profit, because the system is going to charge you a 25% trading fee every 4 months. So every quarter you'll get a trading fee that you'll have to pay from your profits. Okay, well, that's okay with me. If I'm making the kind of profits that I can pay out 25%, I'm okay with that. And then here it says, if you earn 5 times the amount you invested, well, then you'll have to renew your contract. If I started at the senior trader level, which I did, and I invested 5 Bitcoin, okay, which that's what I did. If I made 5 times that amount, then I'm going to be okay with investing another 5. Okay, so that's the good news about starting at these levels. Now, the other option you have in Trade Coin Club is to build a team. So far, we've just talked about what you can earn and how you earn in trading, but you can also develop an organization or build a team. And there's 5 ways that we get paid building a team. Number 1 is direct referral. Number 2 is indirect referral. Number 3 is a team bonus. Number 4 is a bonus residual. And then number 5 is renewal team bonus. So let's go over each one. Number 1, direct referral. At the apprentice level, you'll earn a 10% bonus or commission of the amount in Bitcoins entered by each personal referral, up to 0.99 Bitcoin for every referral. So every time someone comes along and joins your organization and buys into one of the apprentice trader or senior trader levels, then you'll earn 10% up to 0.99 Bitcoin on your referrals. The trader is 4.99 Bitcoin, and then the senior trader has no limits. So as a senior trader, every person that you bring on board, no matter what they start with, no matter what your 10% equals, you are able to earn that at the senior trader level. Number 2, indirect referrals. Okay, so obviously as your organization starts to build, they pay another 10% divided by 7 generations. So here we can see that generations 2, 3, and 4, you can earn additional funds here through 4, down to 4 generations. The trader is down to 6, and the senior trader is down to 8 generations. And you can see these different percentages that you pick up. This is past your first level of direct referrals. So your indirect referrals, so people under people. So that also speaks to sort of a unilevel kind of activity there as well. When you bring in someone, that's your direct. When they bring in someone, that's your indirect. So here's the bonuses that you pick up on your indirects at these different levels. The number 3 team bonus, this is awesome as well. At the apprentice level, 8% will be earned on the balance of both teams, receiving 8% commission in the smallest team. So that lets you know that there is a binary structure to building a team here. And at the apprentice level, 8% on the smallest team of your binary, which will earn you up to 2 Bitcoin. Trader level is 9% up to 10 Bitcoin. And the senior trader level is 10% up to 15 Bitcoin on your smallest team. This bonus will be paid every day from the smaller team, and the same amount is subtracted from the bigger team. This bonus has a safety cap to create sustainability and longevity for the business, the system will never pay more than 45% in bonus for the entering of each new membership. Number 4 is the bonus residual. This is exciting here as well. This bonus will pay in a matrix 3x12. So we've talked about unilevel, binary, and now we're even going to talk about a matrix. So understand that there's a monthly fee at every trade level. So the apprentice pays 0.015, the trader level pays 0.030, the senior trader pays 0.045 Bitcoin monthly fees. It will pay for each person in the matrix 0.003 Bitcoin for each active member. If you are an apprentice level, you'll get 0.003 Bitcoin for each active member through 4 levels. The trader will earn 0.003 Bitcoin for each person through 8 levels. And the senior trader will earn 0.003 Bitcoin for each active member for up to 12 levels. What's great about this is the matrix is filled by you and your directs and indirects, but it's also filled by your upline spillover. So if you can imagine, every time someone ends up in your matrix, whether they came in through you directly or your sponsor or even your sponsor's sponsor, the system will automatically accommodate the direct, indirect, and spillover members from top to bottom and left to right. So that means that throughout each level, all the way to the 12th level, I'm a senior trader, so I'm just using that as an example. And all of these people fill in the matrix to 12 levels. If everyone paid their monthly fee and you receive 0.003 Bitcoin for each active member, then that would total 2,391 Bitcoin on a monthly basis. So that's very exciting. All the members who want to participate in this bonus will have to have earned at least 0.25 Bitcoin. Renewal team bonus. This can happen unlimited times. Every time that a member in your team earns 5 times the amount of their membership. In this example, if your personal referral earned 25 Bitcoin, the system would automatically renew his membership and would pay all the commissions above again. If you enrolled me, for example, as a senior trader, and I earned 5 times the amount that I invested of 5 Bitcoin, then you would again get a direct referral. There would be an indirect referral paid out, and then a team bonus paid out as well. If this month you had 1,000 people on your team renewing their memberships, you would get more than 1,000 commissions again. And then the career plan. Okay, now this is going to introduce a term to you called cycles. Cycle is when a Bitcoin is paid or invested on the right side of your binary and your left side of the binary. When you have 2 cycles in your binary, one Bitcoin on one side, 1 Bitcoin on the other, that's 1. So then if that happens again, that's 2. So 2 cycles of 1 Bitcoin in a month, and you'll receive a 1 pin. 5 cycles of 1 Bitcoin in a month and receive a 2 pin. I'm assuming that should be a 2 pin. At trader level 3, 10 cycles of 1 Bitcoin in a month, you'll receive a Mont Blanc pin. Kind of nice. At the trader level 4, 50 cycles of 1 Bitcoin in a month, and you'll receive a cruise. Level 5 trader is when you have 100 cycles in a month, you'll receive an international Caribbean travel package. Plus, you'll get to know the company. I'm assuming they're going to go with you. Okay, maybe that's once or twice a year. At the 6th level of trading, and you have 200 cycles in your team, you'll get a Rolex. 500 cycles equals a Toyota Corolla. 750 cycles, you're rewarded with a BMW 320. 1500 cycles is a BMW Z4. 5,000 cycles is a BMW i8. And 10,000 cycles is a Lamborghini Hurricane. So you can see why some of us are very motivated to get to 10,000 cycles really quickly. Okay. Guys, that's just about it on TradeCoin Club. Just wanted to share with you this information to help you make a decision on getting started. Again, the company is not officially launched yet. I'm sure there's a lot that they're going to be doing between the now in the pre-launch phase compared to the launch phase coming up sometime in April. I certainly hope that you would consider getting started at any level. Don't really care about what level you get started at. Just get started with me and my team, and we can be some of those people who win some of those rewards of the career plan, not to mention make a ton of Bitcoin in the process. This is Bitcoin Randy. Hope this presentation was helpful to you. We'll see you next time.